Progressive Industries 50A portable surge protector kits contain a separate receptacle tester to detect wiring faults at the pedestal and surge module to attach to the detachable power cord. Surge module ratings: 50A, 45,000 A max spike, 2030 joules. Tests the following with a single indicator: open ground, open neutral, open hot. Tests the following with a single indicator: hot, neutral reversed, hot, ground reversed. Surge module contains surge protection indicator alerting user when depleted. Top reviews from the United States. I've already discovered 2 campsites with poor wiring. A state park I was staying at here in California just happened to have their electrician on site, and he came to my site and verified the bad wiring and had us moved to another location within the park with proper wiring. I would have been in the dark, no pun intended, without the pre-tester. Great product.